Marcia Strickland, project number 2. Exceptionalities. Exceptionality. Exceptional people include individuals with disabilities and gifted individuals. Labeling. Some disabilities are more socially accepted than others. The public view blindness as to be one of the worst afflictions that could be imposed on an individual. Learning disability is one of the most socially accepted disability condition. Middle class parents will accept learning disabilities more than intellectual disabilities. Litigation. Educational rights. Educational rights of individuals with disabilities were not gained easily. Attorneys. Attorneys for children with disabilities and their parents utilize case laws to fight for their court battles. Brown versus Board of Education of Topeka, Kansas. The This case was Linda Brown had to ride the bus 5 miles, even though she only lived 4 blocks from her school. This was because even though she met the qualifications, she still could not attend because she was an African American. The Constitution. The Constitution mandates all citizens to have rights to life, liberty, and property. Park versus the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. In 1971, Pennsylvania Association for Retarded Children brought the suit against Commonwealth of Pennsylvania for failure to provide a public education to students with intellectual disabilities. The federal court sided with Park, and all the children 6 to 21 were to be provided a free public education. Mills versus Board of Education was another class action suit on behalf of 18,000 children out of school with behavior, hyperactive, epilepsy, intellectual disability, and physical disability. The court ruled with Mills that the District of Columbia had to provide public education to all students. Legislation. Section 504, 1973 Congress enacted Legislation 504 of Public Law 93-112 by no reason, excluded the participation be denied the benefit or subjected to discrimination under any program or activity, reviewing Federal Financial Association. Public Law 94-142. The Education for All Handicapped Children Act provided all students 3 through 21 with free and appropriate education, protect rights of students and parents, education in least restricted environment, individual educational plans, parent involvement, and education decision of their children, fair, accurate, and non-biased environments. American Disability Act was to end discrimination against individuals with disabilities in private sector employment, public accommodations. Legislation. 3 problems with override the was lead poisoning, over referral from teachers. Teachers tend to to send more students to these environments, especially male African American. The report of students, African American students, only 17% of the school age population that occupied, that accounted for 33% of students with intellectual disability. And the three major problems with over